excuse the backdrop. I am in my office, the tidy office that you will see me clean. I got my tea in my Stay Cozy mug from Pretty Little Thing. Love this. I've literally tried to start this video about a million times, so I'm doing a voiceover in this video just because I've been so ill that I just couldn't talk to you. And I just thought, do you know what? I need to get this done, even though I'm ill. So yeah, basically, I've tried to start this video throughout the Christmas period, and it's just been an absolute flop because I've lost my voice. I've had a cold. It's just not been a good, healthy Christmas. So it's 2023. We're gonna get our goals this year. We're gonna hit them up, and first things first is we've got to reset. We've got to reset, tidy the house, take the Christmas decks down, which have been down now for a while, but I need to upload this as a refresh for the new year. I hope you had a lovely Christmas, and I hope we can start the new year with a bang. If this is motivating for you, please like, subscribe, do all the things. Also, this is your sign to tidy your house and to get organised for the new year if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's just get into the video, and I hope you like it. As I mentioned, subscribe, as it will really help me out, and let's get into the video. So first things first, obviously we need to take the Christmas decorations down. As you can see, this room is a bit of a mess, and I can't wait to get them down and just have a refresh of the living room ready for 2023. All the shows, all the TV shows, and get all cozy. And yeah, so let's take the decks down. Once the Christmas decorations are down, I then wipe the surfaces with Flash, and then I'm obviously Hoover, and I'm also using this room spray by Primark, which I'm actually obsessed with. It's by Unwind, and it's very bougie for Primark, so I just spray that everywhere in the living room, giving it that fresh scent, and that's the living room pretty much done. Moving on to the bedroom, my underwear drawer was driving me insane. So I bought these little dividers off Amazon. I'll link them down below for you to go and check out, to start separating them and declutter my underwear drawers. So I'm just going to put you on a time lapse to show you what I do. The end result is amazing, and it's so much easier now to put my underwear away and just know where it all goes. Super easy. So the first drawer is underwear, the second drawer is bras, and then the drawer underneath just holds my socks, as this comes with a pack of 3. Again, I'll link it all below just so you can go and buy it if you need to, because this is game changing. The next task on my to-do list is to change the bed sheets. I did buy new bed sheets for the new year, so everything's all brand new that are going on my bed, just to give it that refresh that it needs. To taking off the Christmas bedding and putting on the new one. So the actual bedding is from Primark, and then the bed sheet is from Primark, the bed cover is from Mataland, and then the bedspread and the end pillows are from H&M Home. I will try and find them and link them below for you guys to go and check out. I then decided to declutter my makeup drawers and all of these drawers in general. I cleaned the surfaces at the top and literally just was ruthless. That is my big tip for 2023, is if you're not using it, just bin it. If you're not using it, bin it, because it literally clutters up your whole house, and you can always buy another one if you intend to use it in the future. Sorry about the camera angle here. I clearly didn't show it very well for me to show you what I was doing, but I did declutter my makeup drawers.
giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
A quick coffee break and then onto the hallway.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
As you can see, the hallway is a bit of a dumping ground, so I just needed to tidy all of it away and then give it a spritz down and a hoover.
My appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
The office is also another kind of dumping ground where we have stuff. We've got Charlie's bike there, which I can't do anything about it, so it's not going to change too much. However, I did want to tidy it up a bit and make it look fresh and clean for the new year, ready to start work. So it's all, I have a clear mind as everything's clear, and I'm not worrying about tidying this room. So that's what I went and did. I gave it a tidy.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you.
The bathroom had some odd bits laying around from Christmas, and it just needed a general tidy, because you know what it's like, bathrooms need tidying all the time. So that's what I went and did, just spruced it up and made it look all lovely and clean.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Once the house is tidy, I like to create some things on Notion to help me plan my 2023 goals and get there. So one of them is a habit tracker that I created. So I need to track my food, do 30 minutes of exercise and close all my rings each day, as well as trying to have £100 savings each month. I have created my own YouTube schedule, which is also carried out on Notion. So I just planned some videos that I know I'm going to do in 2023. I also did a to-do list. You can also do journaling and have a reading list on here as well. And it's a good way to keep everything on track and plan. I also am a sucker for a notebook, and I found this great one in Tesco's where it has a monthly budget, meal planner, wellness tracker, fitness tracker, shopping list. I've set my goals for January. For the year, there is 2 spare, which I am going to fill. And then I've just moved on to each day where you can write notes, have your to-do list and tick them once they are done. So I just need to tick all the ones that I've done today. and then plan the rest of the week. You can also do your goals monthly as well. So at the beginning of each month in this planner, it says goals. So this is February's example, which I haven't planned out yet. That concludes today's video. I just decided to light a candle and then relax in my nice clean living room and watch a series. We are watching The Teacher at the minute. It's a new thing on Netflix, but I believe it's been out a while, and I think it was hosted by the BBC. So I highly recommend that if you want to watch a quick little series. We watched that. But I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, do all the things, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.